Hi, my name is Milen Ninan Ittyeipe. I'm a 2024 computer science graduate from College of Engineering Kidangoor in Kerala. So after my graduation, I wanted to skill up myself. That was the time when a friend of mine referred me to QSpiders. So that's how I ended up in here in QSpiders BTM. It was a great experience here. I was able to learn a lot of things. I joined here for Python full stack with data analytics. I had a great experience in learning Python. My trainer was Ranjita ma'am. She taught me Python in depth. So I also had a great pleasure of learning under Krishna sir, Ashlan sir, Rajesh sir. So it was a great experience. And also I had trainers like Rosa helping out me for my web development. I also had a great pressure in having attending various interviews where I could crack various rounds of it. And I should say the training, the mocks, the presentations that was conducted at the institution was very helpful for me for clearing those rounds. I have finally got a joining in a company with a package of around 3 LPA.